Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll show you how I installed these sequential LED mirror lights on this Nissan Pathfinder. This mod will apply to model year 2017 to 2021. As you can see, the original mirror turn signal light is not very bright and it doesn't have even light output. The new sequential LED light is much brighter and gives it a very nice unique look. So let's get started. So let's start with the passenger side. I'll first need to remove the mirror right here. To make the removal a little easier, what you want to do is push the mirror outward so you have more room to work with. Next, I tilted the mirror downward so I can get access to the clips behind it. Now it's kind of hard to film, but there's a plastic clip you want to release. So now that I've released the clip on the left side here, there's one more at the top on the right side here. So let me show you the clips I'm talking about. This one here is the first one I released. And right here is the second one, right here. And these two clips are clipped on to the top edge of the mirror motor right here. To give me some extra space to work with, I'm going to remove the terminal for the heated mirror. Now I need to remove the mirror cover. It's held in by clips all around. So carefully go through one by one and release the clip. If the temperature is very cold, I recommend you get a heat gun and warm up the plastic parts so the clips will not break when you try to pry it off. So to release the top part, there are 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. Now there are a couple of clips behind the motor assembly, so I'm going to remove the motor assembly. It's held in by a T10 screw. To remove the motor, carefully pry the back of the motor assembly out. There's a clip right behind this hole right here. Lift that tab and push the clip out. Now there's another clip right behind this plastic part that's blocking it. So in order for me to get to it, I'll use a step drill and drill an access hole right here. With the top 3 clips and the bottom 3 clips released, the mirror cover will come loose like this, and the inside edge will come off. With the mirror cover removed, let me show you the clips. At the top, here are the 3 clips. At the bottom, this one, and this one. On the mirror side, let me show you where those clips go. 1, 2, 3. At the bottom, there's 1, 2, and 3. Now I do want to say, unclipping the mirror cover is the most difficult part in the installation. There's a very high chance you might break the clips. So be very careful, and if you break your mirror cover, I'm not responsible. To remove the turn signal light, you need to remove 2 T10 screws right here. On the turn signal light, there's a clip right here. Now disconnect this connector right here. So let me take a second to talk about these sequential mirror lights for the Nissan. If you try searching on the internet for Nissan Pathfinder sequential mirror lights, most likely you're not going to find any. But thanks to Nissan's corporate parts bin, many of the car parts are shared between different Nissan vehicles. So this set of lights you see here would fit the Nissan Rogue 2016 to 2020, Nissan Qashqai or Rogue Sport 2014 to 2020, Nissan Murano 2015 to 2021, Nissan Navara NP300 2015 to 2020, and of course it'll fit the Nissan Pathfinder 2017 to 2021. And here's a look at these sequential mirror LED lights. This one here is for the passenger side, and this one is for the driver's side. Now these lights are 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting in, and inside are amber LEDs that flashes sequentially. Here's a side-by-side look of the original turn signal light at the top and the sequential turn signal light at the bottom here. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. Here's a look at the back. Now before you put everything back together, test it out. Here's a look at the new sequential light. And here's a look at the original light. Here's a side-by-side look. As you can see, the sequential light's much brighter. Now reinstall the mirror cover. Here's the new lights. Install the screw. Put the mirror cover back on. Reinstall the motor. Reinstall the mirror. Here's a look at these new sequential LED mirror lights As you can see, it looks very nice. It's much brighter than the original mirror lights. Also, with the sequential flashing, it gives the car a very unique look. Now, if you want to get these lights for your Nissan Pathfinder, I'll include the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.